Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this 14-inch long grill brush scrubber for your barbecue grill. This is really nice because it actually has a metal edge on here with a little V-notch for cleaning out those hard to reach places. And it's not metal, so you're not gonna have to worry about like bristles falling off on your grill, getting in your food, which is a real inconvenience. It does have a nice ergonomic curved handle, easier to hold, a little slot there that you can easily use to stick on to hold things, or use that as a bottle opener. It actually has a bottle opener. You can actually lock a bottle in there, twist off your bottle top, so that's kind of an interesting feature there. Now I've got a pretty nasty grill here. We haven't cooked a little bit, so it's got a lot of nasty growing on there. Gonna show you here the back side of this. Easily can take care of all that, which is gross. And this V-notch here, you can hook around those. Really cleans that up nice. But in order to get this really looking good, you actually take this part here and you actually can soak this in water. It's a sponge, and they kind of coat it with this material that can withstand up to 600 degrees. So you can soak down that sponge really good. And then it actually sends you with 2 additional replacement heads here that you can use. But after you get done using that back part there, that scraper part, you then can use this part. And what that'll do, it'll use a steam clean to really steam clean that up and make that look really nice. And again, this will get gross. You can wash these, but it's not burning through it or anything. If you need to reapply some water, you can easily do that. But I'm liking the fact that this actually does a really nice job cleaning up your grill. I like that little V-notch to get into those individual hard to reach places. That steam cleaning, I mean, that's doing an amazing job getting that cleaned up, because then when it's done steam cleaning, you know, you're ready to go. You're ready to grill. You don't have to worry about little shards of metal or anything like that on your grill, and that's going to work out great, so we can go ahead and get that cooked up. So really liking this. Thank you guys again for sending it.